Hi guys, this is Izelle. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, the channel of 528 Movement, where I teach and I guide you on how to heal your body, your mind, and your spirit, to heal the planet using the frequency 528, which is a frequency of love. All right, guys. So today I want to talk to you about something that has been going on in the last 2 to 3 weeks. It's dominated the media. It's dominated social media. And I was having certain feelings about this, and I knew how I felt. I wanted to feel some reassurance. So I woke up in the middle of the night and I thought, you know what? I'm going to do this. I'm going to test this. Before I get to that, I just want to say that, guys, everything is energy. Everything is energy. And one of my favorite quotes is by Nikola Tesla, and he said that if you want to understand the secrets of the universe, think of everything in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. So when I heard that, I thought, that makes perfect sense, because I was already on that whole everything is energy. So it really made sense to me. So I first want to put that out, and my next video will be about the collective energy. But that's Nikola Tesla. That's a summary of what he said. I may not have quoted it exactly, but that's the gist of it. Everything is energy. So with that being said, I'm going to show you a test that you can do based on energy, and it's basically called muscle testing. Now, muscle testing has been around forever. When I first heard of it, or really paid attention to it, actually, was after I read a book called The Emotion Code. This book blew my mind. I thought, wow, this is pretty simple. You can do this with anything. And then I've read it in other books as well. Power versus Force, The Eye of the I, two of my favorite books, by David Hawkins, by the way. So I want to do this test. I want to show you guys what it is. Now, the test is very simple. You stand in a quiet place. There's something going on back there. In a quiet place, you stand with your feet hip distance apart. You put your hands on your side. You close your eyes. I like to close my eyes, and then repeat the question or say the statement. And what is going on out there? Oh, some helicopters. Okay, guys, sorry about that. So anyway, so it's a very simple test. You could do it anywhere. I like to do it in a quiet place. I always have a little spot where I do it all the time. I did it the other day out on the beach. It was a beautiful day, and a couple of us tried it, and it worked out. It works with anything. The phrase or the question has to be worded in a way that it's not wishy-washy. It's not like questionable whether it's a yes or no. It's not a yes or no this. It's either yes or no. So now I want to talk about this because some of us may feel a little pressured, or some people may feel a little pressure into saying one statement or the other. And some people have said, hey, if you don't feel this way, if you don't say it with us, you're against us, and that whole thing. And that just didn't feel right to me. It just didn't feel right. The statement itself is not a false statement. The statement itself is true. But the intention, the energy behind it is what we're talking about here. So I just want to say I was even blocked by a family member because we did not agree on this statement. And just want to say I love you, and you'll always be my family. So, but anyway, it is what it is, you know. So let's try it right now. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically stand up. I'm going to turn to my side. I'm going to put my feet hip distance apart. I'm going to put my hands on my side, and I'm just going to say the phrase. The first phrase is going to be Black Lives Matter. And the second phrase is going to be All Lives Matter. Okay? And let's see what happens. Okay. Black Lives Matter. 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 Okay, now I'm going to say the other statement. All lives matter. 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 Black 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 lives matter. Okay, guys, that's the test. Okay, like I said, both of those statements are correct. It's just that one statement is based on power and the other statement is based on force. And it's that energy behind, it's that force versus the power that is what is at hand here. That's the importance. So I encourage you guys to try it. You can also try, for example, you can use kind of like a control where you say, you know, if it's Friday and you say today's Friday, and you're going to lean one way or the other. And then if you say today's Wednesday, and it's not Wednesday, you're going to sway the other way. So kind of that could be your tester. And I could try it right now. Like today is Monday. Today's Monday. Okay. Today is, well, actually, you know what? I'm going to let you do that. I'm going to let you do that because I don't want to give away the results, what it means when you sway forward or what it means when you sway backward. So you do it on your own. You can say, my name is Bob. My name is Bob. And if your name is not Bob, you're going to sway one way or the other. And if your name is Bob, you're going to sway a certain way, you know? So that could be the control. I'm not going to do it. Some of you may already know the answer. If you sway one way, it means this. If it sway the other way, it means that. Some of you may know. Go ahead and put any comments down once you do the test. I highly encourage you to try it. And just let's have a conversation about it. Just that. Nothing else. We don't have to talk about anything else. I'm just talking about the statement. The statement, I asked the universe the statement, or I put the statement out into the universe, and the universe, which is within me, which is basically my subconsciousness, just gave me the answer. You know, you can't bias the answer because it is what it is, guys. So don't think that, oh, well, you don't know, you don't understand, or right now this is important, or, you know, it doesn't matter, guys. You cannot bias it. You know, I was doing this with a couple of people on the beach the other day, and we had the same results. We all had the same results. And I was thinking about trying to explain to them the test, but it's very simple, just the way I explained it. And I thought, you know what, because I didn't want to bias anything. But then I thought, you know what, you can't bias it. You can't circumvent the universe. You just can't. That's law. So you can't change that. So guys, I encourage you to do the test. Tell me what you think. Tell me what your results were, and we can have a conversation on just that. Just that, because I don't feel when I don't say certain things that I'm not helping the cause or I'm part of the problem. I don't feel that way at all. And that's why, you know, I woke up in the middle of the night and I did it. I just got up and I did it. So I highly encourage you to do it. All right, guys, so that's all I have for now. My next video, I want to talk about the collective energy of which we all are a part of. All right, so for now, that's it. I thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you for holding space today with me. I appreciate it, and I hold a special place of love, compassion, and kindness for all of you. I love you. Let's spread infinite love and gratitude throughout the world, guys. Let's change the world with love. Thank you. We'll see you next time.